In this LashJoy Academy tutorial, I'll be showing you my custom methods for getting those inner corner lashes nice and easily. This is micropore tape, and we'll start with making a little tab, just like that. So just fold it down. Then you would need to dispense about 4 centimeters and holding onto the tab. Place the tape dispenser down, hold onto the tab of your tape, place that halfway across the lash line, nice and low, tap, drag out to the side. Place down, make sure you don't rub it into the skin too much, we don't want it to be too hard to remove from the eyelid. Get another tab, doesn't have to be as long this time, and then you can create another border. So place that across there like so. If you think there could be some lashes trapped underneath the iPad, I would recommend lifting up the lid. So lift up just like this, and you'll see there's a couple extra lashes that are hiding underneath the iPad. We'll just bring those out. So you'll see how it's a lot less crowded than what it was before. If you have a look at this side on the left, you'll see it's a lot more crowded. So this will make it a lot easier for you to get into that inner corner, holding on to both tabs. What you're going to do is just catch the very tips of those longest natural lashes, attach to the tips, and then place that flat against the eyelid. So by doing that, you'll see it's a lot less crowded. You can even unhook from that lower layer as well and make that inner corner nice and easy to do. So those are my custom methods to apply extensions to the inner corner of the eye without too much effort.